Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will make a flower card. I will use this star set. First, let's use this circle frame die to cut a circle. Take a white cardstock. Before cut a circle, I hope to paint it in red color. This red color is very beautiful. Then we can get a circle in red. I didn't use red paper directly because I will use the same red for my flower color. For your cards, you can choose any circle die you have, and the die can be a little smaller size or the same smaller like my circle, but I don't recommend a big size for this card. Okay, now we get the circle in red. Let's sort it and cut it in half. So then we get two half circle. Then we use this flower, 3 size flower and 2 size flower center. Now I use the same red to paint my flowers. First flower. I really love this red color. Very beautiful. A second. It's easy to paint. And this one, the same. For your card, you can choose any flower. I think any flower to make this card will be the same beautiful. Then I cut this Christmas branch. I will make a Christmas card, so I use Christmas branch. And this great background. Okay, all prepared and then get started. First, stick the great background to the card base. Put the grid onto the middle of the card base. Then we get the half circles. Set it in this way. It's very nice. But I think my circle is a little big for this card size. So you can use a smaller circle. And any circle is okay. My circle is with teardrop borders. Okay, let's glue. And then stick onto the base. Put it onto the correct size in the middle. And the second half, the same. We can see my circle is a little bigger, so we have to lay on the end. But it is no problem because the end we will carve by the flowers later. Okay, the half circle we get a middle S. The red color and with the white background seems very nice. Then I use my flowers first. Sort the flowers. Sort it as we hope. Make it more vivid. I really love this flower with red and white color. Okay, glue on center and stick. Do the same for second flower. And stick here. Very nice. This one. Set here. The combine seems very pretty. Set the flower center. Sort the details. Very nice. And this one, the smaller one. The flower with the center seems much pretty. Although this one only need half. We set here. Okay, that's done. Very beautiful. Now we set the branches. Cut it into correct size and try the place. Okay, glue and stick. And the flower. Very nice. And try this one. There seems nice, right? Okay, here. Blue. The top is done. Then do the bottom side. Cut into the correct size. And try here. Okay. Add glue. Just a little glue, it's okay. And set here. Cut it again. How about here? Very nice. For this card, if we don't use Christmas branch, we use other leaves or branches. We can make cards for other occasions, such as for birthday. Okay, we try the last leaf. Cut the extra paper and glue on the background. A little glue is okay. And set here. It's done. Very beautiful. Then I will use the same green for a back layer. Like this. Glue on the background. And then layer them together. Now the cards are almost done. Very beautiful color light. And then use a small tag, Merry Christmas. It is a little longer, so I cut the both end. Cut an end. Glue the background and try. Okay, the size is correct now. It's a small and simple tag with golden Merry Christmas, but it's very fit for this card. Very impressive color combination. I love it. Then I will do some decoration details. Add the golden beads on the center of the flower. Very nice. And here, glimmers, cherries. I use these red beads. Okay, done. This flower card turns out very pretty, but it's easy to follow, right? The grid back and half circles are not the main of this card, but they make the card very different. Here's another card I made with butterflies. It is also very cute. The leaf I use is from this flower set. The leaf some branch is also very beautiful. You can see. And these butterflies is all from our collection. They are not new items, but they really can use long time. Very cute and with two layers. Can use together or separate. Very nice set. You can see I used tiny beads for butterfly body. I just use glue to stick the tiny beads. I show you these tiny golden beads. Glue on the butterfly body, then spread the beads on it and remove extras. It's very easy skill, but it turns very different, right? Okay, it's today's tutorial. If you love my video, please follow my channel and thumbs up my video. Thank you. Bye bye.